In this video, I will show how to insert picture in Microsoft Excel. So very simple and easy way. Click on Insert Picture. Here are some three options from your laptop or PC: stock images and online picture. So select any setting like from your device and select your picture. You can make all settings for this picture. You can change color, style, design, and what you need. You can adjust the size. You can change picture like this. And there are some more options. You can describe your picture for alt text. You can change picture layout. You can add your text here. So I made randomly changes. You can make more changes as your need. Just click on picture format and make changes as your requirement. So thanks for watching.